Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to mirror picture in Photoshop. So get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see mirror picture in Photoshop. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now, now select from picture. Now click from open option. Then it show open the picture. This picture from crop. Now going to the crop menu option, then click. Now crop your picture. Now crop the picture. Now click keyboard, press for enter. Now you can see. Now going to the layer option. Now select from click from mouse right button option. Now click from duplicate layer. Now is click from OK. Now you can see. Then I'm going to the edit menu option. Then click. Now click from pre transform option. Now click. Now and mouse in the under. Now we click from mouse right button again. Now select from flip vertical. Now click OK. Now going to the again image one option, then click. Now click from reveal all. That is. Now you can see mirror a picture in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.